Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set password on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll. Okay, you just keep scrolling and here you can see the password and security. So you have to click on password and security. Then you can see this is the screen lock, so just click on screen lock. After you have been click on screen lock, on the down you can see password, just click on password. Then the 5-second important notice it has given, remember your password. If you don't remember, your photos, videos and contact number will be deleted. Okay, so click on got it, and here you can write the password any. Okay, you can write your name, you can write your date of birth. See, I have write my name and my date of birth, then click on continue. Again you can rewrite the, you have to rewrite. Okay, not again, I mean you have to rewrite the same thing, okay, that you have been write before. Okay, the same one you have to rewrite. Then you, if you want to hide, you can hide it and click on okay, and here finish to set up the password. You can set it like that. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.